Oh, what is going on, everyone? We are, surprise, surprise, back on the water. We are on our favorite river. Texas has gotten bombarded with rain. We got like 7 inches of rain in 2 or 3 days, so a lot of our favorite rivers filled up, so we decided to take the kayaks out and hit one of our favorite rivers. I'm out with Brayman. Got on the water around 9 or 9:15. It's moving. It's about 150 CFS. We're doing about 9 miles today, so have a decent stretch to cover. The water's a little stained, so fishing might be a little more difficult than what we're used to. I'm gonna have to put on something a little darker. But we're excited because the rapids are running, so hopefully we'll have a lot of good rapid sections on this 9-mile stretch. But we'll get you guys thrown back up on the GoPro, see if we can catch any fish and run some sweet rapids. This is a sweet river though. It has so much shade compared to... Oh man, it's nice to be able to run this river again. We went on a huge hiatus there. Definitely my fave. Proximity wise, it's like right here. It's got all these trees. God, we're kind of booking it.
Yeah, for sure. I keep trying to like slow down, it just does not work. Like there are 2 spots up there, I feel like I need to,
Yeah.
But I guess we cover a shitload of river.
We're gonna be passing a lot of extra fishy stuff, but because we're doing 9 miles, that was half of our 3-day trip.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, there's these tiny fucking things picking at this. I bet if I had a Texas rig, I could catch them. This jig is too...
Are you doing jigs on both of them?
No, well, one's a chatterbait. All right, if I don't catch a fish in the next hour, I'm putting on a Senko. Gonna make the bait change. Oh my God, I finally had a tiny little fish on. It looked like a sunfish. I don't know, I barely could tell that I had anything on. Oh, lovely. There's water. This is great. The crawl was the first killer.
You got your board? First one.
That's the caliber of fish I'm used to catching right there. So a red crankbait. We'll take it. Brayman's gonna get 60 inches off a 60 fish. Oh. He might fall through the scupper plug. a brand new bass. Let's get one over 6 inches. So let's get one over 6 inches. Oh. Yeah, this tiny guy.
Floating.
Just have a floating device.
Nice.
Whoa, this guy is kind of beat up. Hey, if you'd stop.
It's actually pretty good size.
Bro, if you would stop. Look at that belly.
Yeah.
He's all scarred up on the side. God, he is not happy. He put up the best fight so far. He felt like he was a little bigger than that. Really tricked me. I'm the magician. Oh my God. God, dude. Will you just bite the thing? Dude, cooperate with me, because we're about to go down a rapid together if you don't. All right, little dude, calm down, would ya? Would you calm yourself? Come here.
Definitely better than nothing.
Yeah, I've caught about 5 dinks.
I lost count of how many of those sunfish I caught.
Well, there was another dink. Oh, just a midday update for you folks. It has been a day of squeakers, and it might just be that kind of day. This river looked like it flooded pretty bad, probably about 6 or 7 feet up. So that line, you can see that's where it flooded. That was about a week and a half ago. So I kind of figured the fishing would be tough. Have not really seen any big fish, but still a great day on the water. I think we're about halfway there. Just waiting for Brayman to catch up, and then we'll get back on the river.
Oh, dude, I think there's a porcupine right there. Yeah.
Alive?
Yeah, he's chilling way up here in the tree.
The right side looks real intense. Yeah, well, it looks more intense than the left. Alrighty, it's gonna be a good one. Whoo, doggy. That was a low branch. God, dude. Yeah, there's a tiny one on it.
Pretty good, man. that's about what we've been catching.
Yeah, he swallowed it good too. Squeaker McGee.
Sunfish.
Got a lot of cool colors.
Oh shit. The other day. Sad, but probably the biggest one of the day. It's got some red eyes. Nice to finish on a high note with a bass of that caliber.
Yeah, I mean, that's true monster. a quick back-to-back to bring Brayman's self-esteem sky high for the day.
Dude, this is my PB of the day.
Yeah, what is it? 10 inches maybe?
Yeah. Oh, nice.
I caught something on my custom jig, finally. Only took all day. Come on, what the frick?
Yeah, there was a bunch of low lying stuff, but it was cool.
We are done calling it a day. It was a grueling 9 miles. The river was moving pretty quick, but there were lulls for sure. It was the day of dinks. I don't think the biggest fish we caught was probably like a 12-inch bass maybe. It's a good trip, good to be back on the river that we love so much, but we are gonna go smash a hamburger. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.